Welcome to High Desert Gardening Redneckified. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. If you're a returning viewer and you haven't subscribed, please do so. It really helps the channel out a whole lot. So what are we doing today? What we're doing today is we're going to make a short garden hose. Not going to be very long. It's just going to be used to hook some other things up. And I want to point out that this is not a vinyl hose. This is a rubber hose. Vinyl hoses, such as this piece of garbage right here, this is garbage, absolute garbage, will die after, a year. So these things, I would stay away from vinyl. They're just terrible to work with, and they don't hold up. So if you're using hoses in your garden, go with a rubber hose. You will thank yourself for doing so later. So the first thing I'm going to do is determine how long I want this thing. And it doesn't, like I said, doesn't need to be very long. So I've already got this end on it right here. I don't need to replace that. I only needed a couple of feet. So we'll just pick a spot, chop it in two, and that is taken care of. Since we've got this end already on it, we don't need to put one of these on there, set it aside, but we will need this end. So let's get started. So it comes with a clamp like that, and it comes with a barbed end like that. First thing we're going to do is take the clamp apart. Get it in there. Just take these screws completely loose, because you're going to want to be able to separate both sides of this. There we go. So I got that separated right there. Throw that away. Don't need this in the picture. Okay, so we've got our end cut. And the next job is to put this barbed end into this 5/8 hose. That's a tight fit. So you've seen this sitting here for a while. Let's use it. We're going to heat up the hose. And we're going to get it hot. I'm not talking a little hot. I'm talking really hot. Almost to the melting point. Not quite there yet. It's going to take a while. That might work. Let's see what happens. It's getting there. Pound it in there a little bit. Heat it up some more. See if that'll let me pound it in some more. Went in a little bit more. some more heat. Put some down in the hose. Okay, that is far enough. So that's going to work. So we take 1/2 of our clamp and we put it on there. We take the other 1/2 of our clamp and we put it on there. And take our screwdriver and get it started on one side. Push down hard as hell on the other side. See if we can get that started. I didn't. Push down hard. There we go. I believe I got it started. Not 100% sure of it. Nope, it didn't. So we'll back this off some. Get it started. That started. So you want this down as tight as it'll get. Okay, it's on there. Doesn't look straight because it's not straight, but that's okay. I just need it on there good and tight. So that's how to put a end on your hose and get it ready to use. So we're going to hook this up and I'll show you where I'm hooking it up. So this hose is going here and I'm going to replace that. Get the threads to catch. Good and tight. Get these off of here. Ouch. Got these doggone goat head burrs all over the place. They stick in everything. All right, enough of that guy. And we're going to replace it with a 4-outlet manifold. So what have we got in here? They give you a mounting kit with the 4-outlet manifold so you can mount it to the wall of your house or whatever. I don't think we're going to need it. But we do have, okay, got that. Make sure it's got the gasket inside. Put it on nice and tight. All right. So we got our 4-outlet manifold. I can hook this hose back up. maybe, if the threads catch. All right, that hose is hooked up. This is also a vinyl hose. I will be replacing it. This is a different kind of end that you can get. Ace Hardware sells these, so they're pretty good. Problem with these is this piece of steel that sticks out. All right, let's go turn this puppy on, see how it works. Okay, the water's on. Pressure is at about 30 psi. So I'm not seeing any leaks. Looks like it worked. Let's go hook it up to some irrigation.